Dearest citizens of Nagaland, good evening. I would like to give a briefing on the COVID-19 situation in the state as on 20th of April 2020. Today, the State Cabinet in its meeting reviewed the status of preparedness of the Health Department to combat COVID-19. The district-wise reports of the existing health infrastructure was also reviewed. The Cabinet gave directions for further strengthening the medical infrastructure wherever required. The Cabinet was briefed about the consolidated, revised guidelines of the lockdown for preventing the spread of COVID-19 in the state, and the revised guidelines have been issued today for its implementation throughout the state of Nagaland with immediate effect. As per the revised guidelines of the lockdown, the international border of the state with Myanmar and the interstate borders of the state with Assam, Manipur, and Arunachal Pradesh continue to remain sealed. The interstate movement of individuals will continue to remain barred except for medical reasons. All educational, training, and coaching institutions will remain closed. The plying of buses and taxis are barred. Cinema halls, malls, shopping complex, sports complex, auditoriums, and assembly halls shall remain closed. All social, political, sports, entertainment, academic, cultural, religious functions remains prohibited. The movement of all the goods, vehicles are allowed, and the shops and outlets dealing with food grains, food items, vegetables, daily use items, and other essential commodities will be allowed to open for extended hours as per the schedule fixed by the respective Deputy Commissioner. Shops and outlets dealing with other items and goods will continue to remain closed. Saloons, dine-in restaurants, departmental stores, and malls shall also continue to remain closed. All the public places in the state like parks, museums, libraries, etc. will continue to remain closed, and there shall be restrictions on gatherings at any public place of more than 5 people. Services provided by self-employed persons like electricians, IT repairs, plumbers, carpenters, and all construction activities, all agricultural and farming-related activities, including veterinary services, M&A, NREGA activities will be permitted. The functioning of the government offices in the state will be as per the Home Department Office Memorandum number GAB 1 close com general .1 2020 dated Kohima the 13th April 2020, and all the offices and departments providing essential services shall continue to function as per previous arrangements. Friends, I may like to inform you that today the Honorable Chief Minister has announced for giving immediate relief in the form of cash assistance to the distressed and stranded citizens presently outside Nagaland because of the nationwide COVID-19 lockdown. The scale of case assistance will be rupees 20,000 for a patient, rupees 4,000 for a professional or working person, and rupees 3,000 for a student. For this purpose, a separate portal has been opened. imstranded.nagaland.gov.in, where any citizen of the state who is presently outside is facing distress due to the nationwide lockdown may apply for assistance directly. It is pertinent to mention that the state government, right from the time the COVID-19 lockdown got enforced, has been taking measures for alleviating the distress faced by the daily wagers by providing food and dry rations. In view of the extension of the lockdown, it has been decided to further reach out to the daily wagers, considering the hardships that they are going through. The Honorable Chief Minister has announced for providing the daily wages in the state relief package consisting of rice, dal, and other essential items through district administration. I would like to inform you that as a welfare measure for our frontline workers, besides the health workers, it has been decided that any employee of the Nagaland state government, also including any personnel of Nagaland police and the urban local bodies in the state, who suffers fatality due to COVID-19 while performing frontline duties, will be paid an ex gratia amount of rupees 10 lakhs by the state government. Friends, in view of the evolving situation and in order to create a greater synergy among all the departments, and for enabling prompt response, a state-level war room against COVID-19 has also been made functional in the Nagaland Civil Secretariat headed by the Chief Secretary. Friends, as of 3 p.m. today, a total of 434 samples have been sent for testing from the state. Results of 404 samples have been received and all are negative, and results of 30 samples are awaited. Today, a total of 1,058 persons have been screened. A total of 121 persons are under facility quarantine. As regard the medical equipments and accessories, till that, the state has received 56,000 PPEs and 276,000 triple layer masks, 42,095 masks, 11 ICU ventilators, 9 transport ventilators, and 50 CPAP machines, 1,007 B-type oxygen cylinders, 119 A-type nitrous cylinders, and 54 jumbo oxygen cylinders through various consignments. I conclude by requesting everyone's cooperation and support for unitedly combating COVID-19 in our state. Thank you.